You don't get rich by chasing money, you get rich the moment you understand what money actually is. That was my biggest turning point. I thought success was about working harder, longer, grinding until your soul burned out. I used to wake up feeling like I was chasing something that kept running faster than me. But then one night, everything shifted. I sat in silence, broke, exhausted, and angry. And that silence screamed the truth: you don't have a money problem, you have a mindset problem. That hit me like lightning, because the truth is, most people stay poor not because they lack opportunity, but because they misunderstand value. The world doesn't pay you for time, it pays you for value. And the moment I stopped trading my hours and started multiplying my impact, everything changed. I stopped focusing on making $1, and I started focusing on becoming valuable. I read, I learned skills, I stopped watching others and started building myself. Money doesn't come to the loudest, it comes to the most useful. I began asking different questions. What can I solve? Who can I serve? How can I scale that service? That shift made me dangerous. I built offers, I built products, I built character. I didn't get rich overnight, but I got richer every day, in mindset, in skill, in relationships, and that wealth compounded until the world had no choice but to pay attention. That's the secret nobody tells you. Wealth is attracted, not chased. It flows to those who understand it's not the money you seek, it's the mindset that builds it. I became unstoppable the moment I realized that money is just energy, and energy follows focus. Most people are rich in potential but bankrupt in action. I stopped scrolling and started creating. I stopped dreaming and started doing. I deleted distractions and doubled down on disciplines. Every second I invested in learning, improving, and executing built a version of me the old me couldn't even imagine. You want to be rich? Stop being broke in belief. Stop saying someday and declare war on average today. Build your vision like your life depends on it, because it does. You won't become a millionaire by accident. You become one by alignment, when your habits match your ambition, when your actions reflect your hunger, when you show up without applause, without motivation, but with mission. I didn't get rich by chance, I got rich by becoming someone who couldn't be ignored. I showed up when no one was watching, I gave when no one was paying, I believed when no one clapped, and one day, the world echoed back everything I had poured into it. That's the truth. Your breakthrough doesn't start when you get paid, it starts when you decide you're done being average. Understand this: you don't chase money, you attract it by who you become. Become rare, become resilient, become undeniable. That's when the world pays attention. That's when you get rich.